Hello there, you wonderful person. I am Garrus Mason, and it is June 4th, 2025. It's a Wednesday. It's exactly 6:53 in the afternoon, in the PM. Almost an accident. So this guy is the guy on the red car, a little bit in a hurry, huh? Anyways, the last thing I wanted to do now is to record this video, but daily vlog is a daily vlog, yeah? So yesterday, I'm gonna have this as short as possible again, or with a lot of breaks. I updated you last night before going to my girlfriend's house. We watched a couple of episodes of Game of Thrones. Went to bed. This morning, surprisingly, my girlfriend was already up whenever I woke up. She usually sleeps until late. She sleeps late. Wakes up like 10 a.m. But today she was already up. Sometimes she can't sleep. So yeah, we just watched some Friends, and then I watched some Casey Neistat. And then my classes in the afternoon. Not good quality. I'm just checking a box during work time as well as these videos just showing up. But man, I'm struggling, gotta be honest. Coworker recommended that I take another sick leave so I can fully heal. Gotta do what's best for me, right? But I don't know, man. I already spent a week away, and it doesn't feel good not to work. Now maybe, I don't know. Let's see how I wake up tomorrow. I'm gonna try to sleep as much as possible tonight. And let's see what happens. Let my body heal. I am taking some cough syrup. Yeah, well, I'm feeling complete exhaustion. You can listen to my voice, so you can guess how my throat is. Yeah, I'm just coughing all the time, man. Coughing so much. I think that's what's contributing to my exhaustion. It's just coughing all the time. And yeah, I think that's it. The plan is to get home and just stop existing. I ate enough so that I don't have to eat anymore today. That was a mistake, by the way. I was gonna get a coxinha. Coxinha is like a pastry with the chicken, fried pastry with chicken inside, and it's pretty girthy. But I ate two because I was feeling so hungry. But halfway through the second, I regretted my decision deeply. But I'm not gonna throw away food, right? And I guess I could have just stopped eating it. Put it on my backpack. In my backpack. Yeah, that would have been smarter. Yeah, you see, this is why I record these videos. Because when I say things out loud, I realize things. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Got stuff on my mind, yeah, but I gotta cut it short. Because I gotta save my voice. A little bit of my voice for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning is with the kids. But I think they'll be as understanding as they were on Tuesday morning. But still. That's all for today, guys. Thanks everybody for watching. I have been Garrus Mason. I'll see you next time I see you. Bye.